Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Mathematics class for 2nd standard. Children, today we will learn about chapter 10, Measurement of Weight. In this chapter we will learn about compare heavy and light objects. Children, look at this picture. What is this? Yes, it is weighing scale. In one side we will keep tree, in the other side we will keep leaf. The tree will go down, the leaf will go up, because tree is heavy and the leaf is light. Children, now we will keep one side bowling ball and other side we will keep toy ball. The bowling ball will go down, the toy ball will go up. Because bowling ball is heavy, the toy ball is light. Children, now we will keep one side filled water bucket and other side we will keep filled water glass. The filled water bucket will go down, the filled water glass will go up. Because filled water bucket is heavy and filled water glass is light. Now we will keep one side pin and other side we will keep magnet. The magnet will go down, the pin will go up. Because magnet is heavy and pin is light. Now we will keep one side book and other side we will keep butterfly. The book will go down, the butterfly will go up. Why will book go down? Yes, because it is heavy. Why will butterfly go up? Yes, because it is light. Now we will keep one side balloon and other side we will keep toy train. Toy train will go down, balloon will go up. Why will toy train go down? Yes, because it is heavy. Why will balloon go up? Yes, it is light. Now we will keep one side toy aeroplane and other side we will keep kite. Toy aeroplane will go down. Why will it go down? Yes, because it is heavy. Why will kite go up? Yes, because it is light. Children, look at these pictures. Here we have elephant and monkey. See this question. Which animal is heavier? Which one is heavier? Elephant or monkey? Yes, elephant is heavier than monkey. Children, see this question. Observe the following pictures. Which is heavy? Put right mark in the given box. First we have banana and pineapple. Which one is heavier? Pineapple or banana? Yes, pineapple is heavier than a banana. So we should take pineapple. Next we have glass and bucket. Which one is heavier? Glass or bucket? Yes, bucket is heavier than a glass. So we should take bucket. Here we have apple and lemon. Which one is heavier? Apple or lemon? Yes, apple is heavier than lemon. So we should take apple. Children, see this question. Find out which is heavy and which is light. Write H for heavy and L for light in the given space. First we have book and school bag. In both of these, which one is lighter? Yes, the book is lighter than school bag. So we should write L for book. This school bag is heavier than a book. So we should write H for school bag. Next we have skirt and carom board. In both of these, which one is lighter? Yes, this skirt is lighter than carom board. So we should write L for skirt. And this carom board is heavier than this skirt. So we should write H for carom board. Children, see this question. Find out which is heavy and which is light. Write H for heavy and L for light in the given space. First we have filled water bottle and scale. In both of these, which one is heavier? Yes, filled water bottle is heavier. So we should write H. This scale is lighter than this filled water bottle. So we should write L for this scale. Next we have wooden chair and wooden table. Which one is heavier? Which one is lighter? Chair or table? Yes, chair is lighter than a table. So we should write L for chair. And this table is heavier than chair. So we should write H for table. Next we have cycle and car. Which one is lighter? Cycle or car? Yes, this bicycle is lighter than car. So we should write L for bicycle. And this car is heavier than bicycle. So we should write H for car. Next we have bat and ball. Which one is heavier? Bat or ball? Yes, bat is heavier than a ball. So we should write H for bat. And this ball is lighter than this bat. So we should write L for ball. Look at these pictures. Here we have leaf and mango. In both of these, which one is lighter? Leaf or mango? Yes, leaf is lighter than mango. So we should write L for leaf. And mango is heavier than a leaf. So we should write H for mango. Children, do this homework. First main, which object is heavy? Draw the pictures and tick the right mark. Second main, which object is light? Draw the pictures and tick the right mark. And complete the textbook page number 103, 104, 105 and 106.